Biscuit production line equipment is classified by production capacity into small biscuit machinery and equipment, medium-sized biscuit machinery and equipment production lines, and large biscuit production line. Complete sets of equipment. Small-scale biscuit production line. Production capacity's output is less than 100 kilograms per hour. Applicable objects: startup enterprises, small food processing plants or bakeries. Medium-sized biscuit production line. Production capacity's output is 100 to 500 kilograms per hour. Applicable objects: medium-sized biscuit manufacturing enterprises. Large-scale biscuit production line. Production capacity's output is over 500 kilograms per hour. Applicable objects: large-scale food processing plants, meeting the demands of mass production. Fully automatic biscuit production line. Features: from raw material input to finished product packaging, the entire process is automated, highly efficient, and suitable for large-scale production. Equipment composition: it includes dough mixers, forming machines, tunnel ovens, cooling lines, packaging machines, etc. Semi-automatic biscuit production line. Features: some processes require manual operation, such as dough preparation, shipping or packaging, making it suitable for medium and small-scale production.